Ladies and gentlemen, today I am going to show you how to set up GoHighLevel in detail. I'm also going to leave some chapters down below in the description, so if you'd like to skip forward to a section or even rewatch a section that was a little bit more detailed than the rest, you can go ahead and use that section down below. Also, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, you can use the link in our description to check it out for yourself and see how powerful it actually is. Let's dive in. Okay, so this guide aims to really allow you to set up GoHighLevel quickly and easily. And the fundamentals here are to explore on your own. So don't forget to use that link in the description down below. Open up GoHighLevel and try it with the video so that you can see how it actually works for you. What we'll do is to set everything up properly, we're going to go down to settings and you're going to open that up. You will find a page like this. Now on the left hand side there are many options, okay, but don't feel overwhelmed. The idea here really is to explore at your own pace so that you can get everything done properly. So don't rush through it. What you need to do is add a profile image. You need to add your first name, your last name. You need to go down here, email address, phone number, and an optional extension. Change the language of the platform. Secure your platform. Go ahead and set up your two-factor authentication. This will make sure that your GoHighLevel experience is starting to become more personalized. You're going to come over to company on the left-hand side. Here you will enter your company name, your company email address, your company phone number, and this will be public information. Also, your company website, business category, your business niche, and also why you are primarily using HighLevel. And if you are choosing other, you'll have to add in exactly what it is that you're using it for. Under the white label heading here, you can add a company logo. The proposed size is 350 by 180 pixels and no bigger than 2.5 meg. So keep that in mind. Upload your logo over here. Add any white label domain as well as an API domain. Your white label domain is a GoHighLevel custom domain that you set up. So for example, it'll be such as app.yourbusinessname or your domain name.com, and it will replace the default app.gohighlevel.com URL for all of your clients. And it allows you to rebrand the platform as your own entity, giving your clients a more professional branded experience, and it doesn't show GoHighLevel's branding at all. So it looks a lot more professional. You can travel further down here, add in your policies as well as your terms and conditions. These are both URL spaces. And then if you want to furthermore customize your GoHighLevel experience, you can use your custom JavaScript here and then also custom CSS. And then you can also choose the theme that you would prefer. Make sure that in each section you're clicking on save changes so that those changes will be recorded. The advanced settings just gives you some additional security settings to enhance your security on your account. You can also change the session timeout configuration. You can also optimize your experience over here with some additional options. Make sure that you read through them and see what will apply to you best, and then check those options on. The next thing we do is come down to team on the left hand side, and here you can add team members. It's very easy and very quick. All you'll need to do is go and click on the add user on the top right hand side, and here you can add a profile picture, first name, last name, email address, phone, extension. You've got some advanced settings here such as the password, and then you can edit the roles and permissions over here. So here you can see everything that this team member will have access to. So for example, let's click on AI agents. You can see what this person will have permission on, and there's a lot to go through. As you can see, it's the entire GoHighLevel website. It's your entire company profile. So make sure that you're going through and making all of your permissions accurate for each one of your users. Now, if you'd like to assign the permissions to more than one user, you can actually go and just copy the permissions right over here. And when you create your new contact, you can literally just copy those permissions over to the next person. The next thing you'll see here is the phone integration. And here you can set up your agency settings, your sub-account settings, your account creation settings, and email notification settings. You can see as you go down here that this is an overview or a dashboard of all of your phone integrations. Now, phone integrations will allow you to send and receive SMS messages directly within GoHighLevel, enabling communication with clients in one single platform. This means you don't have to bounce around. GoHighLevel will do everything for you. To set it up, you typically will choose a dedicated phone number that is provided by GoHighLevel, or you could connect your existing phone number. You'll then configure your SMS settings and link your phone number to your account, which will allow automated texts, call tracking, and real-time messaging, all again in one single space. Coming down now to email services, also a very important part of your setup. You will have to set up your SMTP service, as well as location settings, risk assessment, bounce classification, postmaster tools, and then there are some additional advanced settings over here, such as your email verification. So you can automatically enable email verification for any new sub account. Okay, so starting with SMTP services, you're going to go ahead and you are going to select your default provider. You can have a dedicated domain over here, and you are going to add an SMTP service. Setting up your GoHighLevel email configuration settings involves firstly configuring that SMTP service so your account can send bulk emails and automations reliably. You can also choose your custom SMTP provider, enter your credentials and specify your location, send any policies to improve your deliverability. The bounce classification will help you track undelivered emails, and then the postmaster tools assist with reputation management by monitoring email performance as well as spam reports. Your advanced settings will let you fine-tune sending limits, any authentication limits, and any other technical parameters to help optimize your email campaigns. We'll jump into system emails again on the left-hand side over here, and within system emails, here you can manage your user management and your settings within your system email. So these are internal emails. So for example, you will have a welcome email template, a reset password email template, and a verification code email template. So here, let's say you would like to use this email. So when you have new users, new account users added to your GoHighLevel, this is the email that will be sent. And you can actually go and have a look here. You can change everything about this. That's what's nice. It's a pre-made template, but you can still customize it. Here, if you click on preview, this is essentially what it will look like. So this will be your company logo, and it'll say welcome to your company name and dear username, and it'll give you all of the details over here of the actual user. So here you can customize all of this, and then you can deploy it. Going into settings over here, you are going to just add in that email logo, and then you can also change the action color over here. So that's the sample button. That's what it looks like. It's blue currently. You can just change that. Coming down to your AI employee over here on the left hand side again, here you can create an AI employee for yourself as well as your sub accounts. Coming down to the Ask AI configuration, here you can manage which one of your custom agents from your agent studio are available for your sub accounts. So what you'll need to do is click on add new agent, and you are going to map this agent. So you can select the location, which would be one of your sub accounts. So for example, this one, and then select your agent and then go and click on build. Your Ask AI agent is an integrated AI chatbot feature that will allow you to create automated custom integrations. It can also answer frequently asked questions or even assist clients via chat or messaging. You are going to define some common questions or keywords and then customize the responses. This tool will really help you boost engagement, and it really automates all of your routine conversations without any manual effort. This means that you can concentrate on what you do best and not have to answer mundane, boring questions over and over every single day, multiple times. We're coming down to private integrations here, and here is where you will set up all of your private integrations. So all you need to do is go and click on new integration. You are going to give the integration a name and a description. You'll see over here you will actually also be able to define its scopes. Now, the private integrations will enable you to connect to third-party tools or even custom-built software that are not publicly available through GoHighLevel's marketplace directly. So setting this up will involve creating that API connection or an auth link to your external system, like your CRMs or payment gateways or your marketing tools or whatever it else is that you have. And it'll allow you to synchronize your data and automate all of your workflows across your entire tech stack. And you can basically tailor your business to your specific needs. Going down to Stripe over here you can unlock tools top agencies will use to scale. So Stripe is quite easy to connect. You're going to go ahead and click on connect your Stripe account. It will redirect you to a new page. You will be now within the Stripe interface. You'll add your email address over here and you will literally be connected to Stripe through your GoHighLevel account. Still enjoying the video? Go ahead and leave a like down below to show your support. Also, leave a comment and let us know what software you're currently using and why you think you should switch over to GoHighLevel. Let's dive back into the video. Now, if you're unfamiliar, Stripe will allow you to accept online payments directly within GoHighLevel for any of your services or your products or even memberships. And it's really easy to set up. So you'll literally just follow the prompts as you're going through. And once it's connected, you can create payment links, invoices, and even automated billing workflows within GoHighLevel. The last thing that we're going to look at is the API keys. So once you jump into API keys, here is where you can actually set up your API keys. Now, API keys are unique credentials that give you access to GoHighLevel's backend functions or even enables you to create connections with external systems. You can now use these API keys to integrate third-party apps, automate data transfers, or even develop custom solutions that are tailored to your business workflows. Now, as I said, ladies and gentlemen, before, make sure that you're not becoming overwhelmed by all of the setup. Go and start at the first step. Go into my profile and check what needs to be added in there. Set it up. When you are done, move over to the next section. It doesn't matter how long you take to do it. Just make sure that you do it properly, each section one at a time. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. That was a short tutorial on how to actually set up your GoHighLevel. Now, of course, there's a lot of detail involved, so make sure that you're going through every section as much as you possibly can so that you can make GoHighLevel actually work for you and not the other way around. Don't forget to use that link in the description down below. We'll see you next time.